Before you give up on your hair, try this. Those treatments I will share with you right now have been stopping hair loss within days, and people keep begging me to share them. So if your hair is thinning or shedding too much, this is the video you need. Those treatments regrow stubborn hair natural fast. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. In today's video, I am showing you 6 extremely effective treatments that will help you stop hair loss, strengthen your roots, reduce shedding, and support faster, healthy hair regrowth. So if you are dealing with thinning hair, breakage, bald spots, or slow growth, those remedies will change your hair for good. So if you are ready to grow your hair, if you are ready to solve your hair problems, please watch this video to the end to get the full information on how to use it and how to prepare it to achieve that amazing results. Let's get straight into those 6 powerful treatments we can put together for faster results. Our first ingredient is rosemary. I'm using dry one. If you have the fresh one, also make use of it, okay? Rosemary wake up sleeping hair follicles, boost circulation, and help reduce shedding so your hair can grow strong and faster. So there are more benefits on this. You can do your research, okay, for more benefits. Our second ingredient is rice. Please use any type of rice you have available. If it's black rice or brown rice, please feel free to make use of it. So this type of rice I have available. Rice packed with amino acid that repair weak strands, reduce breakage, and help your hair grow longer and thicker. So if you want more information on all these ingredients, please feel free to carry more research, okay, so that you can get more information on each of the ingredients, okay. Our third ingredient is cinnamon. You can use cinnamon powder, you can use cinnamon stick, anyone you have available. This is the cinnamon powder. The next one I'll show you now will be the cinnamon stick. So if you have dry blender, you can use your dry blender to turn your cinnamon stick into a powder form. That's the same way I get this cinnamon powder, okay? Cinnamon improve blood flow to the scalp, strengthen the roots, and help stop thinning hair from the source. Please make sure you carry more research in all these ingredients, okay? Our fourth ingredient is bay leaf. If you have fresh leaf of bay leaf, please use it. The one I'm using now is dry leaf of my bay leaf. Bay leaf deeply nourish the scalp, promote faster hair growth, reduce dandruff, and help keep your roots strong and keep your hair fuller and longer. Our fifth ingredient is green tea. There are different type of green tea. The one I'm using right now is the green tea leaf. Please, any type of green tea you have, feel free to make use of it, okay? They are all the same. Green tea is incredible for stopping hair loss because its natural block DHT, the hormones that cause thinning and shedding. It also boosts circulation, wake up dormant follicles, strengthen weak strands, fight dandruff, calm the scalp, and protect your hair from breakage. The result is fuller, healthy, faster hair growth. Our sixth ingredient is mint leaf. Mint leaf is a complete hair growth booster. It exploits blood circulation on the scalp, wake up weak and sleeping follicles so your hair can grow faster and thicker. The coolness from mint leaf instantly calm itchiness and irritation, while the antibacterial property fights dandruff and keep your scalp clean and healthy. Mint leaf also strengthen your roots, reduce excessive shedding, and leave your hair and scalp feeling fresh and alive again. So let's put all these ingredients together for that best results. I bring my clean jar so that I can do my infused method. So please, if you like doing boiling method, you can also do where to boil it, but I like doing infused method. Okay, so I put 1 tablespoon of my rosemary and 2 tablespoons of my rice. So some of the ingredients I will use 1 tablespoon, while some of the ingredients I will put 2 tablespoons. Just be watching and see what is going on there. So all these 6 ingredients work together to create a powerful hair growth solution. They boost blood flow to your scalp, stop excessive shedding, and strengthen weak roots so your hair can grow fuller and thicker. They calm irritation, fight dandruff, repair damaged strands, and wake up sleeping follicles. This blend give your scalp everything it needs to grow healthy, stronger, faster growing hair. Okay, so don't joke with this ingredient. All these 6 ingredients, please do not skip any of them, because as you can see, they have their own benefits, they have their own work on your hair. So don't skip any of them. Make sure you use the 6 ingredients. Okay, if you really want to get the effective, put all of them together. Okay, so what I did now is pour in my hot water. After transferring all my ingredients into my clean jar, I transfer in hot water for infusing method. Like as I said, I like doing infused method. After using my spoon to make sure that everything have mixed up very well, I will cover it up and keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. 6 hours later, my recipe is ready to be used. Guys, this recipe is what you need to solve those hair problems, grow your hair like crazy, thicken up your hair, reduce your shedding, breakage, and itchy scalp, and so many of them. This recipe will give you massive result you can ever imagine. There is no joke. Don't joke with this particular recipe. If you have been joking with all of my recipe, you see this particular one, do not joke with it unless you are not ready to see that huge transformation with this particular recipe. Okay, there is no joke. This is 100% guarantee result that it will definitely solve your hair problems and give you that growth you desire. If you can use it consistent and follow the instruction on how to apply this, you see what will happen to your hair in days of using it. There's no joke. So what I just did now is to bring my shift cloth to collect my tea spray. Then I transfer it to this spray bottle for easy application. Now let me show you how you can use this particular recipe to grow your hair 10 times faster. As you can see, I did not add any other thing on it, because only those 6 ingredients is all you need to see faster result. You do not need any other thing to add on it. So now let me show you the best way to use this particular recipe to grow your hair like never before. If you are ready to get faster results with this particular recipe, and also if you want to know how powerful, how effective, how potent, and how strong this particular recipe can be, make sure you follow the instruction. Okay, and you seek that good result. That's no joke. Okay, first thing you must do not use this on a dirty hair. That's the most important thing, because if your hair is dirty, you will never get good result with this recipe. So what you need to do is wash your hair, especially if your hair is 2 weeks old dirty, 3 weeks, 1 month and above. Please do not use this particular recipe yet. After washing your hair, then go ahead and use it for that best result. Okay, so another thing you must do for me, whenever you apply this recipe on your hair, do not skip scalp massaging. Scalp massaging is very, very important. Do not just apply it on your hair and leave it just like that. No, massage your scalp gently, and it will help blood circulation on your scalp, which means leading to faster hair growth. So next thing you must do after putting this spray in the fridge, okay, once you bring it out to use it, make sure you warm it up a little bit. So make sure you warm it up a little bit so that you can get good result. Do not use it immediately you bring it out from fridge. You will never get good result with this recipe. Okay, so next thing you must do for me is, after using this spray, make sure you follow up with your sealants like your leave-in conditioner, your butter and your oil is very important. And also always tuck your ends in, okay? It's very important. Next thing you will do, if you do want to get good result with this spray, do not wash it out or do not rinse it out of your hair. Yes, allow this spray to sit on your hair for that best result, okay? It's very important. Allow it to sit on your hair, then follow up with your leave-in conditioner or your butter, then see in with the oil. Is the best decision it can ever take. So doing all this I just list out now, it will help you to get that good result and see how effective and how powerful and how potent this particular spray can be, okay? So this method is the best method to use to grow your hair like crazy. There are other methods you can use to use this particular spray by using it as your final thin rinse, as a pre-poo, and also as your thin rinse, okay? So but in all this, using it as a leave-in treatment is the best among best, okay, to see faster growth, faster results, and faster effective for this particular spray, okay? So this particular method will help you to boost blood circulation, strengthen your hair roots, reduce shedding, and nourish your scalp. And also it also help you to reduce breakage and also support faster hair growth. So use this for 2 to 3 weeks consistent and you watch your hair transform. So let me know, what is your hair problems you are facing? Let me know in comment section below, okay? So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. I have come to end of today's video. Please do wait to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, please turn your bell notification bell to all so that can always notify you, okay? Thank you so much for doing all that for me. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye. Mwah.